Okay, refer to the headstock layout for your measurements, and we're going to start to cut out the shape of the headstock. Now I've drawn the center line and extended that through the headstock. Now I'm going to just start blocking everything out so I can draw in those curves. Now I'm going to draw the curves in with a French curve. Let me make sure I've got all the spots where the curve meets our measurement lines. And this again is an area where you can certainly be as creative as you want to be. The headstock design that I've given here is just a fairly basic design. Feel free to make it any shape that you desire. Do note though that the famous open book design that Gibson has at the top of their headstocks is very well protected and trademarked, and that's something that you should not copy. Sometimes you kind of have to play around with the French curve and just get it in just the right spot to make the curve that you're looking for and keep it all sort of continuous. But just take your time, make sure that you're happy with the shape. I'm going to put in those last little curves here at the top. And I'm going to shade some of this excess wood so you can see a little better on camera the final shape. Now I'm going to put the measurements down at the bottom of the headstock where it meets the neck. It's a little thinner there than it is at the top. And then there's a long curve along the sides. here we have our final shape. And now I've cut that out with a coping saw. And then I'm just going to take a fine file and just smooth out the saw marks. And then I'm going to hit it with some 60 grit sandpaper. And here I'm going to do the top and the back and the sides.